Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I am Farah Rizky Afianti. Study ID number is 1903211001110 from class A. In this video, I will explain about the GUS lecture I took last week and the agriculture commodities I want to export. The first is themes in presenter. The theme of the first lecture was Tips for Success in Becoming a Millennial Farmer in a Pandemic Era. The theme of the second lecture is Challenge in Business Startup for Newbies. Next, motivasi or strategy for starting an export business from this lecture. The first, Indonesia is a country that has natural resources including abundant agricultural resources. Agriculture is a factor that can cause a region and a country to become stronger and develop, which is oriented to the social dimension starting from mutual cooperation. We as agribusiness graduate, we must know how to process and produce added value from agriculture product. We as an easy generation must be able to preserve and regenerate in the agriculture sector. We as millennials have the opportunity to start an agriculture business supported by the potential of Indonesian resources. We can even export agriculture commodities to other countries, so that it can be used as a motivation for us to go into the agriculture business. The second, in starting a business, there must be the goal to take the risk that will be faced. Of course, there are many challenges that we face when running a business. One of these is not getting support from the surrounding environment, but don't make it a barrier for us to run a business. We have to prove to them that we can success in running a business even though we have to experience ups and downs while doing business. Strategy that can be used to overcome the obstacles that exist in starting a business are 1. Strengthening intention we going to run a business. 2. Identify the market, it is segmentation. 3. Build and downlink. 4. Build and manage good finance. 5. Build relationship with customer. 6. Dare to be different so you can attract customer. 7. Partnering with parties who have the same vision and mission. 8. Keep the spirit to run the business. Next, the commodity I cost to export is coffee. The reason I cost coffee is because the coffee trend is currently growing. Coffee is a type of plantation crop and is one of Indonesia's leading commodity. In Indonesia, there are 3 types of coffee that are cultivated, namely Robusta, Arabica, and Liberica. Coffee plants are one of the plantation crop originating from the country of Ethiopia in Africa. Indonesia is the 4th largest coffee producer in the world. According of the Association of Indonesia Coffee Exporters and Industry, as much as 97% of Indonesia coffee production is still exported in the form of green coffee beans, which are still raw, and only 30% of this has being exported in the form of processed coffee. Actually, coffee export activities will provide more benefit if coffee is exported in the form of processed coffee, because this will certainly be able to open up many jobs for the coffee processing industry. The government in this case has implemented a coffee farming financing program that is given in group for the process of selecting superior seed to improve the quality of local coffee beans. That's all I can explain, more or less. I apologize and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.